उसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। नंबर 1 is which event distinguishes meiosis from mitosis? A. Condensation of chromosomes. B. Formation of metaphase plate. C. Loss of nuclear membrane. D. Pairing of homologous chromosomes. Correct answer is D. Pairing of homologous chromosomes. Number 2. Which of the following does not occur in prophase 1? A. Synapsis and chiasmata formation. B. Crossing over. C. Condensation of chromosomes. D. Separation of a homologous pair. And correct answer is D. Separation of a homologous pair. Number 3. What reason would you suggest for the fact that the total DNA content of each daughter cell is reduced during meiosis? A. Chromosomes do not replicate during the interphase before meiosis 1. B. Chromosomes do not duplicate between meiosis 1 and 2. C. Half of the chromosomes from each gamete are broken. D. Sister chromatids separate during anaphase of meiosis 1. Correct answer is B. Chromosomes do not duplicate between meiosis 1 and 2. Number 4. The series of events from the time a cell is produced until it completes mitosis and produces new cell is A. Interphase, B. Mitosis, C. Meiosis, D. Cell cycle. Correct answer is D. Cell cycle. Number 5. Number of cells produced at the end of mitosis are A2, B3, C4, D5. Correct answer is A. 2. 6. Number of cells produced at the end of meiosis are A2, B3, C4, D5. Correct answer is C. 4. 7. The exchange of parts of chromatids is A. Chiasmata, B. Linkage, C. Crossing over, D. None. Correct answer is C. Crossing over. Number 8. During which phase of cell cycle are spindles formed? A. G2, B. Prophase, C. Interphase, D. Metaphase. Correct answer is A. G2. 9. Meiosis was discovered in A. 1960, B. 1876, C. 1850 or D. 1879. Correct answer is B. 1876. Number 10. Preparation of essential proteins for mitosis occur in A. S phase, B. G0, C. G1 or D. G2. Correct answer is D. G2. 11. The cell death due to tissue damage is called A. Apoptosis, B. Metastasis, C. Necrosis, D. Synapsis. Correct answer is C. Necrosis. Number 12. The division of nucleus is called A. Cytokinesis, B. Mitosis, C. Karyokinesis or D. Meiosis. The correct answer is C. Karyokinesis. 13. The division of cytoplasm is called A. Cytokinesis, B. Mitosis, C. Karyokinesis, D. Meiosis. Correct answer is A. Cytokinesis. 14. The cells that have temporarily or permanently stopped dividing are said to have entered in state of quiescence. A. G1, B. G2, C. G0. Correct answer is C. G0. 15. Hydra produces asexually by A. Cutting, B. Budding, C. Grafting or D. Binary fission. Correct answer is B. Budding.